Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the JETech case for the 9.7-inch Apple iPad. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So as you can obviously see, the case is in a rose gold finish. Now let's go ahead and open up the packet. So we open up the sticky flap on the side, and let's go ahead and slide out the contents from the packet. So that's everything emptied onto the tabletop, and let me just flip the case over and set the paper that comes with the case right on the tabletop right there very clearly. And let's start off by first taking a look at the JETech lifetime warranty card. So this paper here is information pertaining to support as well as the lifetime warranty that comes with the case. Alright, so there's some social media information as well. Now we can set the warranty card information to the side. As we now go ahead and look at the 9.7-inch Apple iPad case right here. So you can see it is finished in rose gold. So right there, just showing you how the light plays on the surface of the case. And in terms of weight, it is quite a lightweight case. And it features polyurethane as well as polycarbonate construction here. And let me flip the cover or flap open so you can see it is a trifold flap or cover. As you can see, the segments there, and of course there is some packaging material which I will now remove. So it's just foam, setting that to the side, and now you can see the polycarbonate section of the case right here. So it is translucent, you can see through it but not entirely clearly. And on the top side, once again, that polyurethane trifold flap, which features auto wake and sleep as well, because it does have a magnetic strip at this top edge here. Okay, just giving you a look there, showing you it is translucent. As you can see, the tabletop surface right there, and if I drop the flat right down right there, so nice simple designed with a textured polyurethane cover right there. You can see it does have a kind of leather type texture to that surface of the flap or cover. So just showing you that different areas or aspects of the case right there. So this is the JETech 9.7-inch Apple iPad case in rose gold, and on the underside right here, showing you both sides, top side as well as the bottom. And you can see the JETech branding right there at the bottom, and of course the cutouts as well for the connectors and speakers right around the case. So just trying to show you as much detail as I can with the camera holes as well as the buttons as well. So a nice good look overall. And in terms of durability, you can see the strength of that polycarbonate back right there. It is tough yet flexible, offers some level of flex, so it's not going to shatter when dropped. And it will absorb some amount of shock, of course. And of course with the top flap as well. Just going to give you that inner detail as well of the overall design and construction of this JETech 9.7-inch Apple iPad case right there. I'm going to give you an all-around look once again, so you can see the overall construction of all the placements and cutouts for the various connectors and buttons. So a nice, lightweight and well constructed case, as you can see. Nicely finished, no rough edges or anything like that. And just flipping the flap entirely over, right there, and showing you the surface. So on this side, a very soft surface, so it's not really going to mark your screen or anything like that. Very, very soft polyurethane kind of felt finish on the inner side or underside of that flap right there. So just going to spread it out on the tabletop right there, so giving you a better idea of the proportions of the case. So it is a 9.7-inch Apple iPad case right there. Nice good look. Place one hand right there, giving you a better idea of the size. So a nice, good all-round look, hopefully, for my viewers of this JETech case for the Apple iPad 9.7-inch. So that's the JETech case for the Apple iPad 9.7-inch. Thanks for watching and happy protecting!